Unraveling the phrase, a heads up, an English idiom explained. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a phrase you might have heard quite often in English conversations, a heads up. If you've been puzzled about what it means and how to use it, worry no more. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding and be ready to use it like a native speaker. So, let's get started. The phrase, a heads up, is an informal idiom in English. It originates from the literal action of lifting your head up to be more aware of your surroundings. In everyday language, it's used metaphorically to give someone a warning or alert them about something in advance. It's like saying, watch out, or be prepared for what's coming. Interestingly, a heads up has its roots in sports. Picture a game where a ball might come flying towards someone unexpectedly. Players might shout, heads up, to alert others to pay attention and avoid getting hit. Over time, this term moved beyond the sports field and became a part of general English usage. When you want to give someone a prior warning or notify them about something, you can say you're giving them a heads up. For example, I wanted to give you a heads up that the meeting time has changed. Thanks for the heads up about the road closure. I took a different route. Remember, it's used in casual, informal situations. You wouldn't typically find it in formal writing or serious announcements. While a heads up is the standard phrase, you might also hear variations like heads up play or heads up move in sports, indicating a smart, alert action. In poker, a heads up game refers to a game between two players, drawing from the idea of direct, one-on-one attention. And that's a wrap on a heads up. Next time you hear it, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. We hope this video gave you a helpful heads up on this common English idiom. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!